Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today we have an unboxing thanks to WOPET. And yes, this is a pet feeder for cats and dogs. She's Candy, my Coton de Tulear, and she will be with us to open this automatic pet feeder that gets me out of trouble. When I go out from home, I just program it to feed my girl Candy in her times and I can be relaxed. Look, this is the white automatic pet feeder. I'm opening the lid right now. Inside comes the instructions book and you will know how to download the app, program it, and all the operation, which is easy. Also came the stainless steel plate and another white support. Also the USB cable and plug. It's round and inside it look like this. It's easy to clean. In the lid it has a filter. We are going to close it and secure it. And don't worry, the cables will be safe inside from your door. Okay? Now we will hook the plate underneath. And this is what the automatic pet feeder looks like. Do you know why I like the size and weight? Because I can take it with me when I go for a trip to the hotels or visit my friends and family houses. All information about WOPET, the brand of this automatic pet feeder, is in the description box of this video. If you want to see how it works, just follow me on my social media, subscribe to my channel. If you are new today, I have recipes every Wednesdays for you, and every Saturdays we have videos with Candy. See you next time. Bye bye.